So today we will be speaking regarding the capabilities of the software, how to navigate in the software, the usage, the limitations, and the recommendations. So today I'm going to be speaking about my software Mavenlink. It is a project and resource management software that also includes communication features like business information and project financials in just one centralized location. With this software, the project execution can be improved and the flexibility can be increased. Also, financial statistics and user adoptions can be increased. It is used in marketing, software, IT, management fields. This is the user screen that we get when we open the software. We can always customize our information from this icon on the top right. I have just added one photo of mine. We can always update our email settings, passwords. Then for the profile, we can go on edit profile feature and add about our biography, the company name we are working from, the address of the company, and we can just click on the save profile option. Once we are done with this, we will it will take up to like 30 minutes so that the information can be seen. So we'll just go on our dashboard again. So when we open the dashboard, the first thing that we see is the activity feed. It has a list of activities done by me or my members in the past few hours or even days, like whosoever did the recent activity. If a group project including me has a change, I can see it in my activity feed. So currently I have created one project for myself which I title as Management 8400 Mavenlink Software, and this is the information regarding the tasks. So here I can see my tasks for the next 7 days. In our dashboard we can see activity feed, which just shows the activity we did in the past few minutes, hours, or even days. In files, it shows a list of files that I have uploaded ever to the software. Then we navigate to the projects. When we click on the project list, I can see the projects here. I have just created one project. If I want to add a project, I can simply click on the add project, give it a name such as subtask 1, and I can just fill in the information, give a brief description of the project, and then I can just create one project like this. So when I click projects and all projects, I can see the subtask 1 has been created. So I can just fill in the information like how much the percentage has been, the project has been completed, the fees, the budget, the start date, etc. I can see your projects and join projects, the projects with teams, and these are some basic features. When I wish to see something about a specific project, I will just click on the project name and I can see the information about that project. So I have added my professor, uh, Miss Hanan Awad, and myself in this. So what I did was I first created the project and then added tasks to that project. So I went to task tracker. I'll just click on add task and I'll name it as task Z, and then in the description I'll put something unassigned, and I'll enter some start and end dates, and I'll put on save. So task Z has been added to the list of tasks. So this is how we can add tasks. So here we can see different things that are required in the tasks, like um, to whom it is assigned to. As it is my assignment, everything has been assigned to myself. The status, in progress, needs info, fixed, the start and the end dates. I just added start and end dates for this. I will be adding these in front of you. As I open the Gantt chart, I can see the list of tasks. So I can decide it as a task, deliverable, issue, or milestone just by clicking on it and then deciding what the deliverable or milestone or the issue is. Then I can just double click on it and I can just add any starting or end dates, and it'll automatically calculate the days. So I'll just give dates to a few more, and here I can just decide the priority. Is it critical, high, normal, low? how how crucial the task is. Then here I can see the status: started, needs info, in progress, started. Needs info is the one I have not given the dates for. Here I can, for predecessors and successors, I can just give I can assign the tasks which are the predecessors and successors, like different tasks. I can tell what are the predecessors and successors, and according to that they will start filling the info, like after which task needs to be done what. So Gantt chart formation in the software is very very easy. This is the project start date, the task which I allocated the 1st December date as, and different tasks are starting on different dates, and as I move towards the right, there is the project and with autosave on. The Gantt chart is pretty simple to calculate here. So as I select on the critical path, so this one becomes red, and I can see as I click on different tasks, I can see the information about them. So this is the basic overview of how I am using the software. In nutshell, this software is pretty easy to use, and the tasks for the next 7 days are visible here. The projects are visible here. In the activity feed, we can get a list of activities that we did in the recent past. We can see the members along with us on the project. We can see the projects easily, tasks easily. Even the Gantt chart is so much easier. This software can be used for task management and tracking, team collaboration, resource management, time and expense tracking, as there was this budget option as well. And so it can help the businesses streamline their operations. Project management and team collaboration functions are included in the solutions. Also, it has a dashboard which gives the complete view of the project portfolios. It allows us to view projects based on the current status and offers information on each project's burn rate, budget, and margins. We can always analyze the progress and health of a project in a glance. So, also in the Gantt chart, uh, they are included in the software which provide real-time project visibility. It is very easy to assess a project's performance using the drag and drop interface. We can compare the Gantt chart to initial plan or baseline benchmark using this software. It allows us to respond quickly to any project that demands extra attention. Project managers can define dependencies between the tasks which are displayed in an easy to understand project timeline. Um, some limitations of the software are, firstly, the lack of templates. One thing I didn't touch upon was the template. This software doesn't have its own template, but we can always clone the templates. Secondly, adding a member is pretty tough, as I tried to add a few of my colleagues. I entered their email, I entered their email addresses here. That was of no success. There is no option for instant messaging. Also, in a project, there is no option for creating sub projects. Like, you can add tasks, but if you want to divide the team further, we cannot divide it. And the Gantt chart sometimes slows down. This I read different articles, so I read that the Gantt chart slows down when it becomes when there are multiple tasks, it becomes heavy. There are no built-in templates. So people or organizations must create them independently, as I mentioned before. And some task tracking functions, such as assigning committed dates to tasks, are missing from the software. So that's all for the limitations. And as for the recommendations, I feel it is a bit pricey software. There are different softwares available in the market that provide the same functions at a cheaper rate, and some even cover a wide range of uh, what the firm requires on a daily basis, from project management to billing interface. When it comes to customer service, we can reach out to the chat service at any time of the day or week. It's available 24/7. uh, I can strongly recommend this program to businesses who handle smaller projects and they don't use agile methodologies. one of the limitation was we can only add members at the starting of the project. At last, I'd like to conclude that the collaboration tools, reusable templates, calendar views, the easy Gantt chart, and other features of the software will make it a great choice for any organization.